Kaidi Wang, who's a PhD candidate in food science and agriculture chemistry. And she's going to be talking about sleeping pathogens. Kaidi, the floor is yours.
Okay. Can I start now? Can everyone hear me? Okay. Have you experienced the nightmare that is food poisoning? We all know it's not fun, but sometimes it's hard to track the source because we can't detect some bad bacteria when they are sleeping in the food using traditional methods. Let me give an example. Campylobacter. It's a major cause of human gastrointestinal disease all over the world. During the food processing and storage, we always try to kill them using different antimicrobial methods. But they can stop growing to survive the stresses. It's like they fall asleep. The sleeping bacteria are called viable but non-culturable bacteria, VBNC for short. But one day, when the environment becomes suitable, they may wake up and make us sick. So how can we protect ourselves from the bad sleeping bacteria? My name is Kaidi Wang. I come from food science. I'm going to talk about how we can find and control the dangerous sleeping bacteria in food. Firstly, we develop a novel detection methods because the sleeping bacteria can't grow on the culture media. So the conventional culture-based methods don't work. In our novel methods, we focus on the cell memory structure and their DNA to identify the sleeping bacteria. By using the novel methods, we can successfully quantify the sleeping bacteria in the real chicken products in a rapid, specific, and sensitive manner. In the second experiment, we mimic the food processing and the preservation conditions to artificially induce the sleeping bacteria. For example, putting them into the fridge, adding salt, or using chlorine treatment. We monitor the number of VBNC cells using the new developed methods. To our surprise, 90% of the normal bacteria can become VBNC. That means there may be lots of pathogenic bacteria sleeping in our food, but we don't even know before. We will further characterize the sleeping guides using spectroscopic and molecular tools to figure out how they become inactive. In summary, we now have a useful tool that can find the sleeping bed bugs in food. My future work would be determine the mechanism of bacteria falling asleep and try to stop them from waking up, or ideally kill them. I believe my research will help to reduce the bacterial contamination in the food chain. My final goal is safer food, less diarrhea. Thank you.